So this is just a little quick build I got to do today. I'm putting an MSD box on a friend of mine's truck. And what this is here's the 4 holes for the MSD to mount to on its insulators. And then these are the holes that I got to mount to the truck with. And I'm going to cut it out of this piece of aluminum right here. And I made this a little bit too small actually, because I made it the same size as the MSD box. And I need to make it a little bigger. So that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to use the edge of the Sharpie. And it's plenty long. There's that. I'm going to go ahead and mark this thing up with the punch. There's my spring-loaded punch again. If we get it lined up and don't let it move. Then this should give us everything we need. And as you can see, I had to play with this one a little bit. But then I'm gonna stick this in the truck and take it with me when I go back, because we don't have it here. It's up at his place. I gotta go up there and work on it. Now, what I gotta do is cut this out. Now I gotta break out my trusty DeWalt saw that I gotta replace because they've pretty much quit making saw blades for it. Make some noise now. Don't forget your eye protection. So I'm going to do the old 2-board trick. In case you don't know what that is, you put 2 pieces of 2x4 under here, or 2 pieces of 2x6, whatever you got, and you cut right between them, and it keeps the sheet from popping up and down while you cut it. I'm a little closer to my truck than I want to be, so we're going to move back a bit. Back and dress the edge. That's what a burr remover's for, so I don't have a problem with that. You just got to make sure you're wearing eye protection when you do it, like most everything else, because it will mess you up if you don't. Make sure the cord's out of the way. And there we go. Take my pocket edger, take the edges off. Run over to the shop, grab the file, round the corners off. Punch a couple of holes on the divot marks that we made, and I'll do that right now. Okay, so now we just go ahead and punch pilot holes. Everywhere we drilled. And we go ahead and put this back in the pack. That way it don't get broke because it's a little one. I'm gonna put this back on the drill simply because that's what I've been using it for lately, because I've been doing some stuff I needed to do around the house. There's that, and we're ready to go on back. And now for one last little touch. Now it's a little cold out here, so this may not take very well. That the way it's looking may fish eye anyway, but now with a coat of paint and a little rubber mounts on it, we're ready to mount it on the truck. And I put the MSD box on the mount and hook everything up. Well, as you can see, I was running out of daylight. There it is, installed. It's backwards, but I needed the harness to go that way. And there's the 8877 wire splice up here on top. About as neat as I could tuck it. Did not get it into things that it shouldn't be into. So, there you go. Little quickie MSD 6AL install today.